In front of me is ZTE Blade A34, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on blue button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a photo mark, click on Camera, select Allow in the pop-up and then take a pic. To discard it, tap on X icon, and to add it on checkmark 1. To add a standard tag, click on flag icon instead. To end and save your recording, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Now to rename it, type in whatever you want to and hit Save. To get rid of your recording right away, choose Delete. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options and click on those 3 dots at the top right corner. And to delete it, just go back, hold it on the list, hit Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!